We are back at Smugglers Notch for our annual winter ski vacation.
Yeah, Mama, welcome to our new room. Make sure to like and subscribe. Oh.
This is the kitchen. Nice and spacious. We have a 3-bedroom presidential suite in the Owls. Nice big table. Big living room. There's a TV. Nice big living room. There's balcony in the back, which we'll probably not gonna use in winter. This is the master bedroom right off the living room with nice big TV, mirror, a desk for work, this closet. It's pretty nice, it's safe. And a master bedroom, there's a bathtub, pretty spacious. This is very spacious. Look at this huge shower. It's pretty big. Nice big toilet. So that is right off the main living room here. And as we are going on the other side of the place, there is a laundry. Very much appreciated. Ironing board. They give you 2 packs of laundry, so if you need more, just bring it. Second bedroom has 2 beds. Those look like full beds, so can probably sleep 2 kids. With a closet for that room and another bathroom. Just a light here. Not sure, but anyways, there's a bathtub and another little bathroom with shower. And they do give you some toiletries too. And another smaller bedroom. They give you hand soap, mouthwash, body lotion, and in the shower there's also shampoo, body wash, conditioner, and lots of towels. And then also there is like a makeup remover and other shower, head cover, and other little things to make it more practical. Smugglers Notch has its own shuttle service which you can order on the app. That is very convenient because you can track when the shuttle is coming and you can come out when you are more ready, and you don't have to wait in the cold weather outside for the shuttle because you don't know when it's gonna show up. It goes all over the resort and will also take you wherever you want to go. So to the lift, to the learning area, to the base lodge, the fun zone, the pool area. So very convenient to get around the resort. They have a few stores such as this one where you can buy ski and snowboard equipment, but also things like hand warmers. And they also have a general store where you can buy groceries, souvenirs, and sort of little things for your apartment. Smugglers Notch is renowned for its ski and snowboard school, and we have a first-hand experience to assure you that their school is top-notch. When our older child was 4 years old, he learned to ski here, and he started from never skiing before to in the same day skiing the bunny slope and going on the magic carpet to, by the end of that same day, riding a chairlift and going down the green slope at least halfway. Now that was impressive. And the kids loved it so much that every time we go to Smugglers Notch, they ask to go to ski school and basically ski with the ski instructors the whole time. The ski school is from 9 a.m. to 2:45 p.m. and they provide the kids with lunch that's included in the price. The price is about $250 to $280 for the whole day, and the groups are pretty small. We have been very happy with the ski school at Smugglers Notch. The school uses a dedicated two-person chairlift with attendants that are phenomenal, and they help the kids get on and off the chairlift. The chairlift can go to the top of the mountain, but it also has a midpoint station where you can get off and use that half of the slope to help your child ski or for the ski school, which is fantastic. They also have a warming station at that point, which is that green hut you can see in the back of the video. Our older kids were in exploring the Blue, and they skied on Sterling and Madonna mountains on the Blue and Black Diamonds the whole time. With 78 trails spread across 3 interconnected mountains, Morse, Madonna, and Sterling, Smuggs offers terrain for every skill level. We skied the most on the Morse mountain, which is the main mountain next to the lodge, and basically the whole mountain is all green slopes. Now the green slopes are more challenging and longer than the green slopes in the Poconos. They are more like the blues in the Poconos, except much longer, but they do have 2 blue runs. One of them is a mogul and 1 black diamond run, but the rest of the mountain is all multiple green slopes branching in different directions, and the mountain is serviced by 3 lifts. 2 of them go all the way to the top of the mountain. Kids use one of those lifts. It's also good for learning. And then there's another smaller lift to the left side of the mountain called the Highlands. And that lift is great for learning because the slopes are, I would say, more gentler and shorter, and the lift is shorter, so it's great for learning and great for practicing turns and more like faster runs. So this is that Highlands area to the very left of the Morse Mountain. We skied here a lot because we liked the chairlift. The ride was a lot shorter and it was freezing outside, so we just wanted to get up there and ski more often. And with the shorter lift, you get to do more runs instead of sitting on the bigger lift for like 10 to 15 minutes. So here is one of the slopes coming to the left of the Highlands chairlift, and this one branches into 2 slopes which were very fun to ski on. And then if you make a right, there are 3 more slopes that you can get connected to. 2 of them are moguls. One of them is a blue mogul, one of them is a regular green, one of them is a green mogul if you want to practice on an easier terrain. But you can also connect to Sam's Run that will then take you back to the main base lodge. And this one is a Sterling mountain. Our husbands and our older kids spend the whole time basically on the Sterling and the Madonna mountain. Sterling is mostly blues, some blacks. Madonna is mostly blacks, some blues. So definitely for more intermediate to advanced skiers. We absolutely love skiing at Smugglers Notch and we love the layout. But one drawback is their outdated chairlift infrastructure. All of their chairlifts are 2-person chairlifts and they are very slow and long. So if that could change and if they could update their chairlifts, that would make this resort top-notch. In terms of food, they have a waffle cabin at the base of the Morse Mountain, but no place to sit, so that was a little challenging. And then they have a few restaurants. They have this Morse Grill, which is probably the most popular sit-down restaurant for lunch, and the food was good. And they also have a pizza place and like a deli place, but again, no place to sit. They don't have a cafeteria style lunch place. You have to go in and order food and sit at that restaurant. They also have Ben & Jerry's ice cream place, which was fun for the kids after skiing. And then in the evening, you can take the kids to the Fun Zone 2.0, which is free to use for certain activities such as the mini golf, the inflatables, the ping pong tables, the air hockey, and that big play area. You can use it from, I think it's from like 3 p.m. to 8 p.m. and that was great. After dinner, we would hang out there for like 2 hours, and the kids loved it. They do have some activities that are paid for, like the obstacle course, there is a laser tag, and there's also an arcade place, but those are paid activities. Everything else was included in the price, and that was great. One tip, there is a restaurant right outside of Smugglers Notch called Family Table, and it was a great place to have a meal with your family. Overall, we love Smugglers Notch and have been there 4 times already. We love the layout, the spacious apartments, the fun zone, but the lifts do need to be updated and they need more space for people to warm up if it's a cold day. If you have any questions or if you would like to tell me why you love Smugglers Notch, leave me a comment below. Thank you.